Dear student, today continue we are in our question bonding in metal carbonyls. Decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. This one. 10 times carbonyl and 2 times manganese. Decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. Why 0? Actually, carbonyl is the neutral, so manganese is also neutral by charge. Oxidation number here 0 is made up 2 square pyramidal MnCO5 units. This is our square pyramidal. You can see by model. 1 manganese with 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Carbonyl. You can see like this. This one manganese. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbonyls. This one square. Here is pyramidal, square pyramidal. And these two parts, one of this and another, inverse of it, combining with each other. Two parts are combining of MnCO5 like this. This is square pyramidal. This side is square pyramidal. And these two square pyramidal joins with each other by manganese bond here. આ પાર્ટ અને આ પાર્ટ એટલે મેંગેનીઝ વચ્ચે એક બોન્ડ હોય છે. નાઉ ઓક્ટા કાર્બોનિલ ડાઇકોબાલ્ટ, ઓક્ટા કાર્બોનિલ ડાઇકોબાલ્ટ has a carbon cobalt CO means cobalt bond bridged by two carbonyl group. Octa means 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. CO2, CO8. Octa carbonyl. Carbonyl is neutral by charge, cobalt is neutral. This carbonyl exceptionally makes a two coordinate covalent bond. This is called a bridge bond. Exceptionally અહીંયા આ બધા કેવા છે? મોનોડેન્ટિક. એક બોન્ડ ફોર્મ કરે. આ two bond forms. So exceptionally here also cobalt. This is carbonyl cobalt combining with each other by bridge bonds. And we discussed last lecture NiCO4 is tetrahedral, FeCO5 is trigonal bipyramidal, CrCO6 hexacarbonyl chromium octahedral. So this type of carbonyl metallic compound forms here with the metal carbonyl bond, metal with carbon bond in metal carbonyl. Metal with carbonyl possesses sigma and pi both type of bond. Why? This is interesting. આ સમજવા જેવું છોકરાઓ. The metal carbonyl સાથે combine થાય તો બે ટાઈપના bonds occur થાય, sigma and pi. The metal with carbon sigma bond is formed by the donation of lone pair of electron on the carbonyl carbon into a vacant orbital of the metal. In NiCO4, one lone pair donates by carbon to the vacant orbital of metal. Here sp3. Here one carbon is strong ligand, so 3d10, 4s0, 4p3. There are 4 vacant orbitals, 4s and 3, 4p. The ligand donates one electron pair to the metal and forms a sigma bond. Yes, lone pair of the carbon donates to the metal. It forms sigma bond. A metal carbon bond formed by the donation of pair of electron from a filled d orbital of metal into the vacant anti-bonding pi star. The carbon 4 bonds you can see is formed. So carbon has anti-bonding orbitals. Yes, anti-bonding pi star. આપણે 11th માં આવતું હતું bonding and anti-bonding. So carbon has now all 4 bond is completed. એની એક anti-bonding pi and pi star is present. So 2 electrons of the metal inversion and empty orbital of carbon forms a pi bond. So there is a double bond sigma, otherwise here or here, not 2 pi, only one time, one sigma and one pi. આ કાર્બન આને ડોનેટ કરે so sigma, and this electron pair donates to this one, so it forms a pi. So double bond occurs, and that is the effect is called a synergic effect. આને ડોનેટ કરે, આને ડોનેટ કરે. આની વેકેન્ટ ઓર્બિટલમાં કાર્બન ડોનેટ કરે સિગ્મા બોન્ડ. આની જે ફિલ્ડ છે આ લોન પેર, આ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેર છે આને ડોનેટ કરે. પણ બોન્ડિંગમાં નહીં, એન્ટી બોન્ડિંગ pi star એને synergic effect કહે છે. The metal to ligand bonding creates a synergic effect which strengthens the bond between carbonyl and metal. So this bond occurred between carbon and so many times asked in carbonyl compound with metal there is a dual character of sigma bond and pi bond. So this bond is very strong, and that effect is called a synergic effect. Now last question of the chapter we are going. Now dear student, we are in our last point of the chapter. Importance and application of coordination compounds. The coordination compounds are of great importance. It is very useful. These compounds are widely present in the mineral, plant and animal worlds. Yes, this compound, coordination compounds widely present in mineral. Mineral means in our earth crust. We are deriving many things, minerals. So there is a coordination compound in plant, in trees, animal world, human, animal also, and are known to play many important functions in the area of analytical chemistry. In our chemistry lab, we are detecting unknown radicals, unknown compounds, where coordination compound are useful, which is called analytical chemistry. In chemistry lab, finding positive and negative ions, we are adding coordination compound. Metallurgy, derivation of metal from the ore, from the mineral we derive from the earth crust, where coordination compound important. In biological systems, yes, in our body many reactions occurs. In biological, in industry and medicine, for making medicines, these are described detail below. Now listen, છોકરાઓ, આપણે આખો ક્વેશ્ચન નહીં પૂછે, બુકમાં બધું ભેગું આપ્યું, મેં પાર્ટ પાડેલા છે. I have done some parts. If question is asked for 2 marks, describe uses of coordination compound in qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative and quantitative means in given compound which positive and negative ion is present, detection of it is a qualitative analysis. And how much gram or mole are present in our sample of particular compound, finding method is the quantitative analysis. Chemistry lab માં તમને કોઈ compound detect કરવાનું હોય, when we have to detect any compound which is called qualitative, and amount of it the detection is quantitative. These familiar color reactions given by metal, how can we define like Fe plus 2, Mn plus 2 and presence. Generally, metal gives a color with ligand. So, specially chelating ligands with number of ligands. Chelating means polydentate. Ligand which forms more than two or more than two coordinate covalent bond with metal, which is called a chelating ligand. As a result, it gives different type of colors, and on the basis of its colors, we can define which particle is present there of coordination entity. Form the basis for their detection and estimation. Detection means find out करो. Estimation means measurement. By classical means old method, theoretical method or instrumental, by using some instruments of analysis. Example of such reagents include which type of reagents we are using for the detection of unknown substance and estimation. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate chelating ligands. These are the example of chelating ligand we are adding in our given sample. The DMG full form dimethyl alpha nitroso, beta naphthol and cupron as a ligand we are using in the detection. If question is asked for 2 marks about qualitative and quantitative analysis, so this paragraph is enough. Now, second use of coordination compound is hardness of the water. We can define hardness of the water. Hardness of water due to presence of calcium and magnesium ion in our water. Hard water contains calcium, magnesium ion having salt. Estimated by simple titration with sodium Na2-EDTA. In hard water, when we add Na2-EDTA, so what happens there? Calcium combines with EDTA, and which is insoluble, it will be settled down in the vessel, and we can define amount of it. Calcium magnesium combines with sodium will be replaced. It remains in the water. Sodium remains in water, is not hard in the water, but calcium magnesium removed by EDTA. Stable complex with EDTA forms. This selective estimation of this ion can be done due to different in the stability constant. Sodium EDTA is soluble, where zinc, calcium and magnesium with EDTA is stable and settle down in the vessel, and on the basis of it we can define hardness of the water. Now extraction, third use is extraction of metal. Yes, extraction means the derivation of metal from the minerals ores. Some important extraction process of metal like those of silver and gold. Use of complex formation. Gold, for example, combines with cyanide in the presence of oxygen water to form the coordination entity. In the ore of aurum, we are adding cyanide in presence of oxygen and water. It gives a complex entity. એટલે ઓરમનું જે મિનરલ હોય એમાં સાયનાઇડ એડ કરીએ, like a sodium cyanide. We are adding sodium cyanide, oxygen in presence of water. It gives aurum cyanide entity. Here should be 2 sodium, Na2. This type of coordination compound occurs. And in this entity, when we add zinc, so zinc combines with cyanide and pure aurum we can derive. This is extraction. પહેલા ઓરમ નું ઓર હોય એમાં સોડિયમ સાયનાઇડ ઓક્સિજન ને વોટર એડ કરીએ. This reaction comes in chapter number 6. It gives aurum cyanide entity. Then we are adding zinc. So cyanide combines with zinc and here aurum reduces and we get pure aurum. This is the extraction of metal of silver and gold. Fourth use of coordination compound is purification of metals. To getting pure metal, coordination compounds are useful. Similarly, purification of metals can be achieved if only purification use asked, then only write point number 4. Part is taking through formation and subsequent decomposition of their coordination compound. For example, impure nickel metal is given. In impure nickel metal having many impurities, which is impure, carbon monoxide we are passing through pressure. So nickel combines with carbonyl, tetracarbonyl nickel entity occurs some coordinate compound. An impurity is not combining with carbon monoxide, and then we have to separate this entity. Then in another vessel, when we apply high temperature, so on decomposition, carbon monoxide releases as a gas and we get the pure nickel metal. This is a Mond-Carbonyl method, not in your book. This method is derived by scientist Mond-Carbonyl method. Now fifth one uses biological system. Yes, in our body. Coordination compounds are of great importance in biological systems. In our body, in human, in plants, in animals, many biological reaction occurs. The pigment means color, responsible for photosynthesis. In the plant, there is a green colored chlorophyll is present, which is pigment, green colored, which is responsible for photosynthesis. Is a coordination compound. This is asked in exam. Natural coordination compound is chlorophyll, which is green in color, which is responsible for photosynthesis in plant, which is of magnesium. Chlorophyll is in chlorophyll, magnesium is present. Now hemoglobin, the red pigment, red colored pigment in our body, in the blood, is hemoglobin of the blood, which can act as oxygen carrier. Hemoglobin is one of the, like chlorophyll, natural coordination compound, carrier of oxygen. When we take breath, so in our heart, oxygen combines with hemoglobin and it carrier of oxygen in tissue, in cell of the body, which is made of iron. In the hemoglobin, there is a iron, natural coordination compound. Now we are taking vitamin B12 in our food. Chemical name is asked. Vitamin B12 is also natural. Cyanocobalamin is chemical name of vitamin B12. The anti-Pencius-anemia factor is a coordination compound of cobalt. This is the process biological. Among the other compound of biological importance with coordinated metal ions are the enzymes, like some of the enzymes which speed up our biochemical reaction in the body which is called enzyme. Natural catalyst, carboxypeptidase A. This is enzyme in our body. Then carbonic anhydrase, catalyst of biological system. Catalyst means speed up the reaction inside our body, which speed up the reaction. All are coordination compounds, natural. Another use as a catalyst. Some complex compounds are very useful as a catalyst. Coordination compounds are used as a catalyst. Catalyst means itself not taking part in the reaction but speed up the reaction. પોતે રિએક્શનમાં ભાગ નહીં લે પણ રિએક્શનની સ્પીડ ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરે for many industrial process. Example include rhodium complex. This underline it, asked in exam many times. Wilkinson catalyst. Actually rhodium with chlorine. Central atom is now phosphorus with actually triphenyl phosphine. It's like this. PPH3, PPH3. This part 3 times. Triphenyl phosphine with rhodium. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then chloride, which is Wilkinson catalyst. In exam many times asked is used. Here phosphorus is a donating electron pair to the metal. For the hydrogenation of alkene, in the alkene when we add hydrogen, so as a catalyst Wilkinson, very useful. Wilkinson catalyst, the name of this coordinate compound, famous name is Wilkinson catalyst. In electroplating, 7-1, articles can be electroplated with silver and gold. Much more smoothly and evenly formed solution of the complex silver cyanide and orange cyanide. Solution of simple metal ions. આપણે ઘણી બધી મૂર્તિ જોઈ હશે of the god. It is plated of silver and orange. In the solution of silver cyanide, we are dipping. જેના ઉપર પ્લેટિંગ કરવું છે, it should be as a cathode. So here reduction occurs of silver and pure silver metal will be deposited on the cathode. So plating occurs there. If aurum cyanide is taken, then aurum will be deposited on cathode and plating occurs. In electroplating of silver and gold of the articles complex is very important. Now in photography industries, in black and white photography, the developed film is fixed by washing with a hypo solution. Hypo means Na2H2O3, sodium thiosulfate, which is called hypo. When we take any photograph in the film, so there is a layer of HEBR. In dark room, unexposed, જેના પર light પડશે expose થઈ જાય. Unexposed part we have to remove from the film to get negative. HEBR react with the sodium thiosulfate, means hypo. And now excess Ag will be replaced with the thiosulfate. Like this. and it gives some complex ion. In photography industries, which is very important, dissolves the એટલે કે ફોટોગ્રાફીમાં ઓલી જે ફિલ્મ હોય છે એની પર ફોટો લીધો પછી નેગેટિવ બનાવવી પડે ને એને ડેવલપ કરવામાં આવે તો ડેવલપર આપ્યો એમાં નાખો એટલે કોમ્પ્લેક્સ બને નેગેટિવ તૈયાર થઈ જાય છે અને આ સિલ્વર છે એક્સેસ વધારાનું હોય દૂર થાય જે એક્સપોઝ થઈને રહી જાય એટલે આપણને પર્ટિક્યુલર ઇમેજ આપશે. Unexposed AgPr will be removed by hypo sodium thiosulfate. In photography industries, complex compound is very useful. Last use chelator therapy. What is chelator? Chelating ligand means polydentate ligand. Treatment in our body by polydentate ligand is called a chelate therapy. There is growing interest in the use of chelate therapy in medicinal chemistry. અત્યારે medical chemistry માં maximum chelate therapy is very useful. An example is the treatment of problem caused by the presence of metal in toxic portion in plant and animal systems. In animal and in plant, in human, if toxic metals, iron and copper, thus excess of copper and iron are increased by any reason. Excess amount inside our body of copper and iron is a danger and toxic. So doctor gives chelating ligands. D-penicillamine enters in our body and it combines with metal and we can remove. And this peroxime B via the formation of coordination compound if excess amount of iron and copper is present in our body. So doctor gives the ligand like a D-penicillamine and this peroxime B and it combines with metal and it makes a coordinate compound and it removes by from our body and so toxic effect will be removed. EDTA, which is also polydentate chelating ligand. EDTA used in the treatment of lead. If any person drunk poison of lead, lead is very poisonous. If any person which drank the lead, so effect of lead, doctors remove by adding EDTA into body. So EDTA combines with lead, so effect will be removed. And by omitting, we can remove from the body some coordination compound of platinum effectively inhibit the growth of tumors. Cancer થાય ગાંઠ હોય, tumors mean ગાંઠ inside body. So cisplatin, one of the complex compound, inhibit the growth. Cancer ને મટાડીને પણ આગળ વધતો અટકાવે. Inhibit the growth of tumors. And drug is cisplatin, which is coordinate compound. And related compounds are useful. Now student, this chapter coordination compound is over here. Do revision and send me homework of this chapter. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture.